Hello YouTube, this is Michael the Provenzano, and today I'm bringing you a video of fuzzy. I made it better. So let's just do. I haven't added the shebang line, but if we do the package, I've added here some. I made it so you can do cookies. That should be pretty standard. I made it so you could exclude status code, word count, and character count. Instead of just matching them, you could also exclude certain ones. I added Tor, a couple proxy options. Sorry. So you can proxy through Tor, or you can do a Tumblr. You can just add a bunch of proxies, and it'll send each one through those. And I made it so you can use a single proxy too. And then for the tuning options, I've added concurrency, so number of threads. This was really cool to add. I added a delay or a timeout, and you can add a delay between every request. So I did an init file. I haven't really ever done that, so that's one of the big things. I made a to-do list here. So these were where all the stars are. Those are what I've done, what I did. Right. So I added the init to the core file, moved formatter to its own thing here, because formatter was in this class and it just looked terrible. And then, as you can see here, concurrent features with I implemented concurrency. This was actually pretty fun because I've never done this, and it's actually like usable now with the concurrency. I redesigned the settings. Formatter. Yeah, I redesigned the request handler. So it used to be like a bunch of if, like the get and post used to be a bunch of if statements, but now I've just defined everything up here. And if it's not defined, then just set it to none. So that way here we can just do allow redirects and it's set to none if it's not defined in the settings. So all of these are set, and it just makes the request things like a one-liner. And we also have like a try except for the proxy options. But for the most part, we turn the get requests into like 2 lines for the most part, which is very nice. And then here I've implemented the Tumblr. It just basically loops through. We could probably use the iter tools cycle, something like that. But let's see. Set settings. There's like a loads more settings. Graphics are pretty much the same. The arguments, I made the arguments look better, and I've separated them into groups, which is very nice. A JSON file. So it used to be like there used to be only like 7, I think, but now there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 18 options you can set. I guess 2 of them need to be set, but enough of that. Oh yeah, also like with the setting, I was thinking about moving the settings thing to another file, but it's fine here. Enough of that. Let's see it in action. So let's do URL https://www.google.com. Add the fuzz parameter, and it was W. Test.text. So it's already pretty fast, and that's only 2 threads. But if we do TS like 3, It doesn't look much different. If you do 4, if you do 5, like it's a lot faster. Let's see. Desktop. Desktop. Stuff. Go to stuff. Sec list. Discovery. Web content. We'll add a slightly bigger one there, so we can actually TS. We'll do 3. Okay. And then we'll do 5. That's like, it's way faster now. It's like 1, right? Like this is the speed it was originally, like just 1 at a time, and then we with the threading or concurrency, it's like a lot faster. Let's add 10. Yeah, it's like blazing. And then we can also do like, let's character count. Let's do this. Right. And then we can exclude character counts. And we get everything except it. Now let's exclude that one. Never mind. I was gonna do like both, but it wouldn't really make sense because we're excluding them, and we're only getting that, so it's only gonna get that. But it's pretty cool that excluding character codes is we can actually do multiple ones. I forgot. So let's do 1560. Let's also do this one and this one. See, we're getting like a fewer, but it's like way better. That's really cool. So I have put the finished one up on GitHub, so you can try it out. That's about it. Like, comment, and subscribe.